Very good morning to all the students. Today, in this session, we are going to talk about a very important drug in homeopathic materia medica, and that is ammonium carbonica. I hope you all have very much understood this medicine and maybe prescribed few of your patients also this medicine, as it is very frequently used in nowadays. So basically, the root of any medicine starts when we see what the name suggests about this remedy itself. So if we are dividing both the term, that is ammonium and carbonica, ammonia and carbon. So let's start with carbon, because we already know and we already discussed about the carbon group. What are the symptoms of carbon group, how the carbon group personality is looking. There is much fat deposition in carbon group personality. They are very sluggish, they are very slow to act and react, they are very much having flatulence inside their abdominal cavity, and they are very much carbonated person. They are having carbon deposition inside their body, and that is why their appearance is also blue ring around the eyes, blue ring around the mouth. So carbonica, same characteristics is seen in ammonium carbonica. And talking about ammonium actually, that is NH4, is not in that NH4 form found in our body, but what main ammonia which is found in our body is coming from and what it is doing inside the body. So basically, when we are eating food and it goes into our gastrointestinal tract, in that tract proteins are absorbed from our gastrointestinal tract, and in that protein there is presence of ammonia. Now that ammonia, after absorption, it will directly go to biliary tract, or we can say liver, and the main constituent, or the in the presence of some enzymes, it gets transformated into urea, and then the places where urea is needed, it is circulated in the blood and etc. But the remaining part, or the excretory part, or the waste product that is left after conversion of urea, is thrown out inside the kidney, and the urine, via urine, it gets excreted out inside the urine. So by knowing all this ammonium characteristic inside the body and carbon characteristic inside the body, we get a small idea about the thing, that what are the main particulars of this remedy. That will be definitely mental symptom, because we all know that if there is an excessive amount of ammonia inside the body, which is if it is present in blood, then and it crosses the blood brain barrier, then whenever there is excessive accumulation of ammonia inside the brain or brain cells, then lot of confusion, lot of tremors, illusions, loss of memory, these kind of symptoms is occurring. So first and foremost particular of this remedy is its mental symptom. Now coming to second, as we already discussed about it, that the main absorption of this protein, and via which we can get the ammonia, is inside the gastrointestinal tract. So the gastrointestinal system is also a very basic particular for this remedy. Now about the third particular, we all know that when that protein is absorbed via the gastrointestinal tract, it gets inside the liver or biliary tract, and then converted into urea at that site only. If the ammonia is not converting into urea, then there must be some complaint that will happen inside the liver or the gallbladder itself. So it is again acting very marvelously on liver and gallbladder both also. Then we know that the excretion that is left after the conversion into urea is excreted out via the kidney. So urinary system is also very important particular for this remedy. And again, if we are talking about urinary system and liver, then if there is any difficulty or any pathological symptom that is present inside the body, depending upon the liver, gallbladder, GIT, or which is basically upon the renal system, then all these system will very nicely reflect its affection or infection on skin itself. So there will be rashes, there will be pinpoint petechial hemorrhages which we can see in the skin, and also there might be some discoloration of the skin that is present with the, if these all are the underlying causes in any diseases of the patient. So basically skin is also a particular for ammonium carbonica patient. Again, as we all know that basically a fat, flabby, very much lethargic person will be mostly in today's era, it will be female, because they are sitting at home being idle. I know that more than 50% of the women are very much into some business or doing some things, but altogether there are few females that are left and they are not doing anything at home sitting. So unnecessarily their weight will be gained, and unnecessarily there is very much of work that they done by being in a sedentary life habit. So basically ammonium carbonica is a medicine which is basically suited to child, we can say, and female. All the complaints of both of them can be very much covered out with ammonium carbonica. Thank you.